How to fix your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account. Hey guys, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix your device is not part of the Netflix household for this account. So, the your device is not part of the Netflix household message typically appears when Netflix detects that your device is being used in a location outside of the primary household associated with this account. This is part of Netflix's effort to prevent password sharing. So here are some steps you can take to resolve this issue. First of all, make sure that the device you are using is within the primary household's network. Netflix determines your household based on the Wi-Fi network most frequently used by the account owner. If you have moved or your primary network had changed, the account owner may need to update the household location. This can be done through the Netflix app on a TV or by logging into the Netflix website. You need to ensure that your device is connected to the primary Wi Fi networks of the account owner. Sometimes simply reconnecting to the primary network can resolve this issue. Try disconnecting and reconnecting your device to the Wi Fi network. If you are living separately from the primary household and are regularly using the Netflix account, the account owner might need to add you as an extra member if this option is available on your region. If you are still facing the problem during all this step, you have to contact Netflix support, explain your situation, especially if you believe there is an error in your how your household is being detected. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.